satellite imagery has revealed that the UK Royal Navy aircraft carrier HMS Queen Elizabeth is currently sailing in the South China Sea, while the Chinese People's Liberation Army Navy aircraft carrier Shandong is also present in the area, though they appear to be on opposite sides of the disputed waters. The presence of the British flagship in the South China Sea sends a significant message as the UK and its allies seek to challenge China's expansive territorial claims in the region. The exact location of HMS Queen Elizabeth is reported to be somewhere between the coast of Vietnam and the island of Borneo, while the Shandong is spotted south of Hainan Island, its home port. This comes amidst tensions between Beijing and London, with expectations of further deterioration in their relationship due to military and economic actions by the UK frustrating China's ambitions in the region. In addition to the presence of HMS Queen Elizabeth, there are reports of a U.S. Navy Surface Action Group also operating in the South China Sea, comprising the destroyer Uskid and the littoral combat ship Tulsa. This marks the first time a deployed LCS and a guided missile destroyer have joined to form a surface task group. Meanwhile, there are unconfirmed reports of People's Liberation Army Navy maneuvers around Hainan, which could involve the Shandong, China's second aircraft carrier that has been in service since late 2019 and constructed based on similar design principles as the Liaoning, a former Kuznetsov-class carrier. The entry of the carrier strike group 21, led by HMS Queen Elizabeth, into the South China Sea was expected as part of its 26,000 nautical mile cruise that includes visits to 40 nations in various bilateral and multinational exercises. UK Defence Secretary Ben Wallace stated that CSG-21's deployment is aimed at projecting the influence and power of global Britain, engaging with friends, and reaffirming the commitment to addressing security challenges in the present and future. Although not explicitly referencing the South China Sea, the UK Ministry of Defence had previously noted that the deployment was intended to strengthen defence partnerships in the Pacific region, where the UK aims to have a more enduring defence and security presence. The presence of CSG-21 in the South China Sea is part of the broader increase in the UK's interest in the region. The Royal Navy plans to permanently assign 2 offshore patrol vessels, HMS Spey and HMS Tamar, to the Indo-Pacific region from August this year and also contribute a littoral response group in the future. This signifies the UK's commitment to the region and its intention to play a more active role in regional defence and security matters.